If you've been looking for a way to move forward in your business and get up close and personal with your customers and with your clients, especially on WhatsApp, FlaxxaWapi will do just that for you. With FlaxxaWapi, you can message as a business account to your customers, to your clients, and you can also get new consumers and new customers from WhatsApp. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through FlaxxaWapi and all that it offers you. Don't forget, a link to FlaxxaWapi is in the description of this video, and if you have any question or need any clarification, we would answer you in the comment section. Once you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with the dashboard of FlaxxaWapi. On the dashboard, you can choose to send a campaign directly, you can create contacts, you can create templates, and also you can create reply bots. The good thing about FlaxxaWapi is that it allows you to separate the brands that you have access to. So you can click on this panel to take a look at all the brands that you have. On the dashboard, you can see the phone numbers that you have attached to FlaxxaWapi. You can choose to buy a new phone number based on the country that you want that phone number to be. You can use the general accepted ones like Twilio, Vonage, Numero, and so much more. When you've created a phone number, you attach it to FlaxxaWapi, then you can use it. Take note that you should use a number that has not already been connected on WhatsApp when using FlaxxaWapi. You can take a look at your brand and you can choose to add brands or manage brands. When you're managing your brand, you can see all the brands that you've created and you can choose to take a look at the WhatsApp widget of that brand. You can edit it or you can simply delete it. When you're editing, you can see the brand name, you can choose a brand logo, you can put a simple brand description, the time zone you are in, your company's name, and the phone number. When you're done, you simply submit. Next, you can take a look at the contacts you have. On the contacts, you can see your contacts list, which would include all the contacts that you have. You can add a new contact, include a contact name, phone number of your contact, your contact country, the group you'd want it to be in, and the country. You can also enable AI bot replies, and this allows you to automate your reply to that contact. The group panel of your contact list helps you to collate specific contacts together, so you can create different groups that will have different responses. Next, we can take a look at the templates that we have. On the templates panel, we can create new templates, then send to Meta for approval. When you want to create a new template, you simply click on Create Template, and you can choose a blank template, or you can choose from the library provided to you by FlaxxaWapi. We'll create a new template. And when creating a new template, you can choose to create a template from your catalogs or from the flows. You can see the WhatsApp flows here, and you can also see the catalogs here. But for now, we just create a simple or custom template. We can call this template Safari. And our language will be English. When we click Next, we can see the number of variables that we want to use, and we can choose if we want our text to start as an image, as a video, or as the body of text. We can choose a video, we can choose an image. We pick an image. Take note that you can pick any image you'd like, and once you're done picking that specific image, you can use a different image when sending your message later in the future. So we can choose to type in our text, or we can generate text with AI. And we simply tell the AI what exactly we want it to do. So we can say an introduction to a Then we can choose if we want emojis to be in it, and we can also pick our language. And if we want to add a prompt content, we can do that. And if we're satisfied, we simply generate. When we take a look at it, if we're satisfied, we can use this content. And while it's there, we can make changes. Okay. And one thing to note is that you can add variables, and these variables would help when you're changing information. So if you want some information to change based on different factors, that's where you include these variables. So we can say if we want the word emoji to be variable, we simply include these brackets as stated here. And we'll see that come to play later on. Next, we can choose to add a footer. We can add a footer. And if we're satisfied with that, we can add a button to visit our website, then include the website link. Or we can choose to add a phone number button where we must include a phone number. When we're done with that, we click on save. And you can see that it has saved. But after it saves, you can see it here, but we need to send it for approval before it can be approved. When you click on send for approval, it might take a short while, from 30 to 45 seconds. But when you get sent for approval, you get this response. Your template is pending for review by Meta. Please wait up to 30 seconds and click on sync templates button to get approved. While we'll come back to that, we can take a look at other things like the broadcast campaigns. Here we can see the campaigns that we have that we can send to our contact list. When we want to send a new campaign, click on send campaign, pick the name of our campaign. Let's call the campaign scans. Pick a template that we've created. Let's pick one we've already created. We can choose the contact list that we have. We can include a day and time that we want to schedule our sending of message, or we can ignore the scheduled time. We can see that this template does not have any variable. So let's move forward. We can take a look at our chat inbox. On our chat inbox, we can see all the messages that we've had back and forth with our customers. We can take a look at reply bots. These are the bots that we have created to reply customers based on specific inputs. So it can be based on an exact match. It can be based on when a message contains a specific keyword. Next, we can take a look at WhatsApp flows. And here we can see automatically generated forms that users can fill. It can be for reviews, it can be for restaurants, it can be for applications, for webinars, or sign-up pages. Next, we can take a look at Commerce Catalog, where we can add our catalog on FlaxxaWapi for customers to see on WhatsApp. Next, we can take a look at our integrations, where we can integrate FlaxxaWapi with Shopify, with Wool, Razorpay, Zapier, and so much more. We can take a look at Agency Reseller, where we can resell FlaxxaWapi to other clients. We can take a look at Chat Agents, where we can see all the agents attached to our FlaxxaWapi. We can take a look at our Wapi settings, and also we can take a look at our API info or our API campaigns. As we can see, there's a lot that FlaxxaWapi can do. And we can take a look to see if it has been approved. And we can see the name here. sync. And you can see the status is still pending. And once it is done, it will simply show approved. And when it is approved, we can choose to edit it. And you can see the information that have already been put in it. As you can see, FlaxxaWapi is a very useful tool and can help you to relate to your customers and to have good response rate with your customers. A link to FlaxxaWapi is in the description of this video. And if you have any question or need any clarification, you're welcome to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful. See you in the next one. Goodbye.